Previously on the Stooges.
What's all this?
The Russian lives here now.
You'll be meeting a Samoan, but I need someone who drives.
So what's in the box?
Produce. George, I need to borrow your car keys.
Cover if you're gonna love her.
Where's Mordecai?
We went out with the girl in your car.
He left 10 hours ago.
Really?
Huh?
What, the guy went out with the girl 10 hours ago?
Nice. Oh, damn.
Where the fuck is my car?
Mordecai is an alcoholic.
I'm going to bed.
Janet Jackson.
What are we gonna do about the drop?
What do you mean?
Man, he lost my car!
Gin and juice. My father went the same way.
You got a car?
Oh man, this is awesome. My first big job, moving produce, hanging with the homies, yeah, all right. Got the little man, what's up, little fella?
Yeah, this is real exciting, all right.
You guys gotta tell me what kind of produce we're moving. I'm dying.
Tell him nothing. If my parole officer hears about this, they send me back.
The box is full of eggplant.
The little purple ones?
Nah, man, these are really rare, like from North Korea.
I knew it, that's awesome. Oh.
So it's important that we get them there as soon as possible before they go bad.
Okay, I'm on it.
Hey, can you guys pull over? They have the piece.
No, we gotta get this to the Samoans. No stopping.
I'm gonna be sick.
That's good, Mordecai. Yeah, let the devil out. Let them all out.
Allergic to bees.
No, I don't think so. I mean, if you were, you'd probably be all red and swollen.
It is the shakes. I'm telling you. My sister had the same exact thing. It is why she has no men.
Yeah, I think it's up here.
Now what?
This says for us to go up that trail.
What about him?
Windows cracked?
Yes. That would be nice for him to rest. Everything is so peaceful out here.
fuck is shooting at us?